till सम्म पहिलो वाक्य हेरौं यसको म नआउन्जेलसम्म कुरा Wait till I come. Wait till I come. म दिउँसो अथवा मध्याह्नसम्म कुर्नेछु I'll wait till noon. I'll wait till noon. म त्यतिन्जेलसम्म कुर्न सक्दिन I can't wait till then. I can't wait till then. Till and until यी दुवैको एउटै अर्थ नहुन्जेल अथवा नगरुजेलसम्म I can't wait till then. भोलिसम्म पर्ख Wait until tomorrow. Wait until tomorrow. मैले तिमीलाई नभनेसम्म नरोक्यू Don't stop until I tell you. Don't stop until I tell you. Stop भनेको रोकिनु तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानल तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ You are watching हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानल Your place to learn English. Unless नगरे नभए अथवा नहुन्जेल कडा परिश्रम नगरे अनुतीर्ण हुनेछौ You will fail unless you work hard. You will fail unless you work hard. भोग नलागुन्जेल उ रुदिनन् अथवा भोग नलागुन्जेल उनी रुदिनन् She doesn't cry unless she is hungry. She doesn't cry unless she is hungry. यस्ता शब्दहरूलाई अझै सम्झाएर अझ धेरै उदाहरणहरूका साथ अर्कै भिडियोमा सिकाएका छौं यही हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानलमा हेर्न नछुटाउनुहोला जति सक्दो चाँडो as soon as पहिलो वाक्य सकेसम्म चाँडो गर अथवा जति सक्दो चाँडो गर Do it as soon as possible. Do it as soon as possible. सकेसम्म चाँडो घर आऊ अथवा जति सक्दो चाँडो घर आऊ Come home as soon as possible. Come home as soon as possible. As soon as possible भनेको जति सक्दो चाँडो Come home as soon as possible. जबसम्म तिमीले मलाई माया गर्छौ As long as you love me. As long as you love me. जबसम्म म बाँच्छु म तिमीलाई प्रेम गर्नेछु I'll love you as long as I live. I'll love you as long as I live. जहाँसम्म as far as जहाँसम्म मलाई लाग्छ यो उहाँको व्यक्तिगत मामला हो As far as I think अथवा as far as I know it's his personal matter. Personal matter व्यक्तिगत मामला As far as I know it's his personal matter. जहाँसम्म मलाई लाग्छ हामीले बोल्नु हुँदैन As far as I'm concerned we shouldn't talk. As far as I'm concerned we shouldn't talk. That, त्यो नयाँ हो. That's new. That's new. त्यो म थिएँ. That was me. That was me. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe को छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला. Got, मिल्यो, पायो, पाएँ. मैले एउटा काम पाएँ अथवा मैले एउटा जागिर पाएँ. I got a job. I got a job. Get भनेको पाउनु र यसैको past tense हो got. Each, प्रत्येक. म तिमीहरू प्रत्येकलाई चिन्छु. I know each of you. I know each of you. प्रत्येक व्यक्तिले पैसा तिर्नु पर्छ. Each person has to pay the money. Each person has to pay the money. Tell, बताउनु. मलाई नभन. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. मलाई एउटा कुरा भन. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. Say र tell यो बीच के भिन्नता छ यो जान्नलाई हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु च्यानलको अर्को भिडियो हेर्नुहोला जहाँ हामीले यो कुरा स्पष्टसँग बुझाएका छौं. Told, भन्यो. Tell को past tense told. पहिलो वाक्य. तिमीले मलाई भन्यौ. You told me. अथवा you told me that. You told me. मलाई कसैले भनेनन्. No one told me. No one told me. Must, पर्छ. तिमी जानु पर्छ. You must go. You must go. म अब जानु पर्छ. I must go now. I must go now. Must र have to को डिफरेन्स पनि अर्कै भिडियोमा छ. ग्रामर को प्लेलिस्ट हेर्नुहोला यही हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु च्यानलमा. Such, त्यस्तो. Don't be such a fool. त्यस्तो मूर्ख नहौ. Don't be such a fool. मैले कहिल्यै त्यस्तो कुरा भनेको छैन. I have never said such a thing. I have never said such a thing. तिमी कहाँबाट हौ अथवा तिमी कहाँको हौ? Where are you from? Where are you from? म नेपालबाट हुँ. I am from Nepal. I am from Nepal. यसबाट टाढा बस. Stay away from it. Stay away from it. यहाँबाट टाढा जाऊ अथवा यहाँबाट टाढा भाग. Get away from here. Get away from here. Be sure to like and share this video. द्वारा, by. म बस द्वारा आएँ. I came by bus. I came by bus. कारमा जाउँ अथवा कारद्वारा जाउँ. Let's go by car. Let's go by car. यो आफैद्वारा गर अथवा यो आफै गर. Do it by yourself. Do it by yourself. त्यो मलाई हुलाकद्वारा पठाऊ. Send it by mail. Send it by mail. And र अनि उसलाई नाच्न र गाउन मन पर्छ. She likes to dance and sing. She likes to dance and sing. ऊ र म मिल्ने साथी हौं. He and I are good friends. He and I are good friends. तर अथवा बाहेक, but. उसले कडा परिश्रम गर्यो तर असफल भयो. He tried hard but failed. He tried hard but failed. I'm sorry, but you're wrong. माफ गर्नुहोला तर तपाई गलत हुनुहुन्छ. I'm sorry, but you're wrong. बाहेकको अर्थमा पनि यसको प्रयोग हुन्छ. यसरी. मलाई बाहेक अरु कसैलाई थाहा छैन. Nobody knows it but me. Nobody knows it but me. मसँग जानु बाहेक अर्को विकल्प थिएन. I had no choice but to go. I had no choice but to go. म अलिकति नर्भस भएँ. I was slightly nervous. I was slightly nervous. Slightly को अर्थ थोरै अथवा अलिकति. I was slightly nervous. यो अलिअलि तीतो छ. It is slightly bitter. It is slightly bitter. यो पुरानो भन्दा अलि राम्रो छ. It is slightly better than the old one. It is slightly better than the old one. This much for the video. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care. Have a great day.